Intermittent fasting does this to your body after 1 week. After 1 day, your blood sugar will be reduced. After 2 days, you'll be burning bad fats. Your body will enter a state of ketosis where it uses mainly fats as fuel for energy. This will promote weight loss and reduce inflammation in your body. After 4 days, your body will detoxify. It will enter a state of autophagy, allowing your cells to cleanse themselves and get rid of damaged cells. After 5 days, you'll feel less pain as you'll regulate the inflammatory process in the body, which will help alleviate back and joint pain. After 7 days, your body will begin to regenerate. Your immune system will be stronger and insulin sensitivity will be improved. Your brain will be clearer and your energy will be boosted. Like, follow, and share so others can heal.
5 benefits of grounding your feet on grass. Reduce inflammation and pain. Improves circulation. Relieves stress. Improves mood. Better sleep. You can also find shoes that help you ground, as most shoes contain rubber that blocks your connection to the earth. Like, follow, and share so others can heal.